So we just got to Kyoto and we're at our hotel and it's so nice. Let me show you the hallway first. So you enter here and look, they show you the rooms. We're at 305. A little swirly work. Oh shit. Locked myself. Wow, nice place. Would you like to show me around?
Yeah, check this out. You want to do the bathroom first?
Oh yes, let's see the bathroom. Wow. Wow, it's so nice.
Wooden floors and everything.
Oh my gosh. The shower, very nice. Oh, we can sit. Sit and have a shower. That's beautiful. And then voila, we have our room, 2 beds, and a kitchen with laundry, a nice sized fridge to store all our leftovers. It's a good sized fridge. Oh, mineral water. So we have the 2 beds because, you know, we want a separation. It's very like Japanese style decor in here. It's very nice. Ooh, pajamas. We're staying at the Gozan Hotel in Kyoto. For our first meal in Kyoto, we decided to go for ramen. And it was about a 45-minute wait. There was a lineup when we got there. And of course, in Japan, when you see a lineup, that's when you know the food is good. But once we got in, we noticed that it was just run by these 2 ladies. Thank you. Go. The ramen was so savory. The noodles had a nice chewy, bouncy texture to it. I would highly recommend this place. I'm so full. And right across from this ramen shop was this thrift store that was actually recommended by another tourist that we met in Osaka. I ended up getting a dress, a skirt, and 2 scarves that came up to about 700 yen. By the time we finished the thrift store, it was already late afternoon, but the Nishiki Market was close by to where we were, so we decided to check it out. And a lot of stores were already closing, but you could still see how busy it was. And it's very packed. Oh my god, I can't move. It gets very squishy. Curry bread. Oh, sorry.
No, yeah, but
Yum. Pickled radishes. Those are delicious. We are here getting the flower ice cream, the viral flower ice cream. It's almost closing and it's still very, very busy. And it's also in this like really nice open plant garden with lots of shops around too. Wow. Look how pretty these are. Wow. It's like art.
I guess we have to use a spoon for this.
Yeah.
That's kind of how this goes. Okay.
Oh, I don't
I'm gonna
know.
destroy the flowers.
Yeah, I don't want to destroy
Alright.
this.
It's art. I'm gonna eat it.
I guess it did say red bean on the...
This has some like sturdiness to it, right? So it won't melt like ice cream.
Yeah, the flour tastes like red bean. Got ice cream at the bottom.
This vanilla ice cream is amazing.
Yeah, the vanilla ice cream is really tasty. So that was the tastiest ice cream we have ever had. Not only was it like a presentation, but it was so good. The red bean and the vanilla mixed together made it taste like ice cream. So pricey, but worth every penny. Since we only had 4 days in Kyoto, we wanted to make the most of our time there. And a lot of shrines are open 24 hours or into the late night. So we decided to check those out, and this is a great way to also avoid crowds. We are shrine hopping.
Shrining.
We are at this first location.
It's nighttime, but it's shrine time.
Oh my god. Dad jokes.
But the ones at that hike, those are orange.
That's red.
No.
People, it's called the Red Gates. It's called the Red Gates.
It's orange to me.
It's the Red Gate.
This is orange.
This is red.
That's red. This is red.
That's red.
Okay, and what color is this then?
Red.
Yeah, and
red.
this is orange.
Oh my god. What do you guys think the color is? Orange or red? It's beautiful here. It's a small little shrine, but it's nice.
The area around it is really nice too.
Yeah.
This whole street here.
Yeah.
It like widens and it's
Very old architecture. Here is our next shrine. Boop. McDonald's. Time for McDonald's.
shrine time.
Shrine time.
To McDonald's.
Time. What are these sounds? Kyoto's beautiful.
Yeah.
We love it here already. It hasn't even been a full day. It's gorgeous here. The shrine is so pretty.
Yeah, just the streets too.
Yeah, everything is so nice.
Yeah.
We should have spent more time here.
I think Osaka's overrated.
Yeah.
The shopping, like the downtown is big and the shopping, that's pretty awesome, but besides, okay, and the street food, but besides that, like if you're not into like bar hopping and
Drinking,
kind of socializing
clubbing.
like that, yeah,
Yeah.
it might not be for you to spend that much time there.
Yeah.
But it's definitely worth maybe being there for 2-3 days.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for like the nightlife, it seems like that is like a popping spot for young peeps.
We are walking in the park next to the shrine. It's about 10 p.m. right now, and even though it's dark and we can't really see much, there's like nobody here, which I love. I need a break from like the crowds, so this is really nice.
Very
a nice little evening walk. Oh wow, there's so many cats. Does he feed them?
Holy shit, there's so many. Yo, there's like 10 of them.
Oh my god. Oh wow, he definitely feeds them.
He whistles and they all come.
We came across this gigantic torii, and there's this park that we are walking to. Also 24 hours, so we're gonna make a stop there. We're just shrine and park hopping right now. It's past 10, and yeah, we're still exploring.
It's so annoying.
Ding, what? I like it. Ding, ding.
Should we check what's at these vending machines?
Sure. Ding.
I want to find an ice cream vending machine. I saw one in the subway. It had sandwiches, like ice cream sandwiches.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to find one.
Ah. Oh, I think I see ice cream.
No way. Talking about it?
Your wishes have come true.
That's crazy.
What is that sound?
This one's tiramisu.
Okay.
Like that. Cookies and cream, chocolate.
Yum. or
Yeah, I mean it's a vending machine.
it's a vending machine ice cream?